So, Kate, today we're gonna talk about some phrasal verbs, okay? Alright, so what is the first one?
Pay back.
What does it mean?
To give someone the same amount of money that you borrowed from them.
An example, please.
Do you always pay back money borrowed from a friend?
Good. And what is the next one?
Stay up.
What does it mean?
Do not go to bed.
Wow, and an example, please.
I usually stay up late. I don't like going to sleep early.
Perfect. Okay, Kate, and what is the next phrasal verb?
Show off.
And what does it mean?
To do things in a way that is meant to attract attention.
Wow, and an example, please.
Mark often does a backflip in front of other people. He likes showing off.
Thank you. And what is the last phrasal verb?
Bump into someone.
What does it mean?
To meet someone you know when you haven't planned it.
An example, please.
I bumped into my math teacher in the shopping mall yesterday.
Wow, fabulous. You made my day, Kate. Bye.
Bye.